What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be putting on this boy right here, my oil catch can. Funny part about it, I don't know nothing about mechanic work. So they say it should be easy, anybody can do it. We're gonna find out today. Let's see what's all in this box. 2 hoses. The oil catch can. And a box. Oh, they gave me a Moe's Performance, baby, sticker. It's gonna go right there. Right next to Mr. Old Custom Illusions over there. I'll show you where it's gonna go. As you can see, it's going to go right down there, somewhere down there. Got to take off the intake hose, the engine cover, and then it's one hose right here. Then the catch can is one screw in and connect 2 hoses, and that's it. First, you're going to start by taking the sensor off the intake. Then we're going to take off the hose for the intake.
Cody.
Perfect. To take the cover off, you just pull up and pull it out. It's gonna come out. Just pops right out. With a lot of force. Seen a few videos where they kept this, but Moe's Performance didn't use that, so we're not gonna use it. Catch can is mounted for the washer. Another washer. And it screws into down there. That hole right there. That one. Yep, that one. There's 2 of them right there. One up there and one down there. I'm going to the top one. You can use either one, but I'm going to use the top one. Also going to hand screw it, and then I'll ratchet it later. The 13mm bolt. we're not gonna tighten it all the way. We're just gonna tighten it a little bit. Perfect. 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 You do have to measure out the hose and see where exactly how long you need it. And cut it. And you gotta measure this one out too. We're gonna cut it right here. Right there. Better to cut long than too short. I forgot to show you guys the instructions.
Yeah, like I was on video.
Whatever these are called, like I told you, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know. Not even that I care. Just push it in. Put it in that hole. Then you come over here and the same thing. Pretty much our catch can assembly. Now we have to tighten everything back up and put everything back in the way we took it back out. Perfect. 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 Here's the oil catch can. It's backwards, but shout out to Mo's Performance. It actually came pretty fast too. So like I said, we're gonna put everything back together, the engine cover, the intake hose, and we should be done. Then we'll come back and check it in about, let's do, I don't know, 2 tanks of gas and see if we got oil in there. I almost pulled the same thing I seen everybody else do on YouTube. This goes on first. that's pretty much that. I'm gonna start up and see if I triggered any sensors.